military weapons. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on to get more videos like this one in the future. Today we're talking about Namir, the Israeli armored personnel carrier that's based on the Merkava Mark IV tank chassis. Namir was developed by and is being assembled by the Israeli Ordnance Corps and has earned service in limited numbers with the Israeli Defense Forces since the end of 2008. However, as of 2014, only a very limited number of Namirs were in service with the IDF. They're more heavily armored than the Merkava IV tanks, and according to the IDF, the Namir is the most heavily armored vehicle in the world of any type. About its survivability, the Namir has been designed for survivability and rapid repair and features modular armor, a V-hull belly armor pack, and CBRN defense systems. As Israel's defense ministry stated in 2015, the Namir is considered to be the most protected armored combat vehicle in the world, which proved its abilities during fighting in Operation Protective Edge against many threats. Of its armament, the Namir is armed with either an M2 Browning machine gun or an Mk-19 grenade launcher that's mounted on a Samson remote-controlled weapon station, as well as a 7.62mm machine gun and a 60mm mortar. Smoke grenade launchers are also carried. Of its capabilities, it's capable of maneuvering in difficult terrain, powered by the Teledyne Continental AVDS 1790-9AR, which features 1,200 horsepower, a V12 air-cooled diesel engine of the Merkava Mark IV. Namir is able to carry up to 12 troops, crewmen, and fully equipped infantrymen, and one stretcher or two stretchers along with medical equipment on an ambulance medevac version. The original Merkava Mark IV rear entrance was redesigned to be a wider door ramp with a sniper port. Two hatches are fitted on the roof, which is higher than Merkava's whole roof. The Namir also features a digital battlefield management system with the Merkava Mark IV, giving it hunter-killer team capabilities. By 2014, there were up to 120 Namirs in service, and they took part in Operation Protective Edge. During the fighting, Namirs, which at the time were not fitted with an active protection system, were hit multiple times with RPGs and ATGMs, including suffering direct hits by 9mm 133 Cornet ATGMs. But the vehicles emerged undamaged, and in no instances were the armor penetrated or any injuries caused. As a result of its success on the battlefield, there were calls for the number of vehicles to be increased beyond the 170 that were on order, and for them to gradually replace the many M113s currently fielded by IDF combat units. Two Namirs also took part in the Gaza War in 2008 to 2009 as part of the Golani Brigade. On the 31st of July in 2017, the Israeli Defense Ministry released video of an infantry fighting vehicle version of the Namir that was fitted with an unmanned turret armed with a 30mm cannon. The turret is equipped with the Trophy APS. The Namir IFV offers more firepower for infantry units and provides a better response in urban combat operations. The addition of Spike anti-tank guided missiles is also being considered. It weighs 60 tons, featuring a crew that has a commander, a driver, an RCWS operator, and 9 troops. Of its armor, it's classified as being composite matrix, laminated ceramic steel nickel alloy, plus an underlaid reactive armor. It has a sloped modular design and features a power-to-weight ratio of 20 horsepower per ton. Its payload capacity features 9 infantrymen, and the suspension is a helical spring. Operation ranges in the 500s with speeds of 60 kilometers per hour at its top speed. That's it for this one. Remember to subscribe and turn on your notifications for more videos in the future. Also, like this video and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.